I will show you what I have done since alpha, and I'll also show the bugs and the things that are not totally functioning. To start off with, on the navigation, the active states are not present yet, but they will be. But for right now, we do have the hover over, so if you hover over, you can see it. Also, too, the slider does work. We can click these little buttons and it will take you to the next picture, or you can just wait and it will slide by itself. Moving on, here I also lightened up the text so the texts are more easier to read on the eyes, instead of before it was a little bit darker and it was a little bit harder to read. On the new section, on the boxes, I also rounded the corners so it could be more user friendly instead of just that square box and it kind of looked like it was out of place. At this moment in time, the Twitter feed is not working due to a jQuery error, but I plan on getting that up and running as soon as possible. Next, on the media page, as you can see, we have our videos. Whenever you click a video to play, the video does work and the video does slide in, but currently the styles for the video are not appearing, which is also, again, another JavaScript error. So the video does work. You can close out the video and you can click the other video. The video does play. It does play and it does a widescreen and everything. Is just the styles of the YouTube player is not appearing. Next, we have the images. There was a stretch image here during the alpha. I have now fixed it, and as you can see, the album still pops up, still works. You can click through and look at it. As you can see down here, we have the name of the image and how much images are left in the album, and we could go back and we could exit out. Same for down here, same thing, same type of idea. Does the same thing. We could flip through, you can exit out, you could go through all the pictures, go back and forth. Next we have the instrumentals page, and last time during alpha the instrumentals page was not functioning. Now the instrumental page is functioning. So let's say we want to buy a beat. Let's say we want to buy Purity. We can select buy now. And it will take you over to the PayPal of the Megaminds, and right here it says that you wanted to order Purity, and the user would go on to signing into PayPal and continuing and finish paying throughout PayPal. But now we're going to go back. I click one time too many going backwards to the instrumentals page, and the beats do play, and you can select different beats to play, and also you could leave comments. You can leave comments on the beats, and not only that, you can see how much time the beats were clicked on and how much time the beats were played. And moving on, we are now going to go to the About Us. Since the alpha, nothing really in the About Us has changed. It's still the same, except for the text. I lightened it up a little bit to make it easier to read and more easier on the eyes. And next we'll go over to the contact page, and on the contact page I actually have these fields inserting into the database, so I will go on to show you an example. So let's say that my name was Alfred and my email was and let's leave a comment. And I click send message. Well, if we go over and we check SQL and we refresh it, there you go. We now have it inside of the database. So I am very happy to show that something is inserting into the database. And also too, the networking does work. So if you click on any of these buttons, it will send you over to the Megamind's Twitter or their SoundClick or Facebook or so on. So here we will go over to see that it was sent to the Twitter. So it's there. So now we're going to go back. And that's basically what I have so far for the beta.